మోహాంక్ ప్రిజర్వ్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాను. మార్చి 17, 2024, 3/17/2024 హైక్ వచ్చాను. 8 miles పైనే హైక్ చేస్తాము. చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఇది చాలా బాగుంది. పార్కింగ్ లాట్లో ఉన్నాను. ఇంకా మా వాళ్ళందరూ రావాలని వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Like the vibe.
Okay, we are starting 3/17/2024. We're starting our hike.
8-mile hike. 8-mile hike.
8-mile hike. And
on St. Patrick's Day.
And then what is the traps too?
I'll ask Roberta. The
Roberta,
traps
Okay.
are
The route.
segment.
The route is. The route is from here on the Shomgum Trail. Then we're going on the Old Minnewaska Trail, and then the Undivided Lot Trail.
ఇది కొత్తగా పెట్టినట్టున్నారు. ఈ టేబుల్ రాక్ ట్రైల్ ఇట, 2 క్రాగ్ ట్రైల్ ఇలా వెళ్ళాలి. బ్లూ ట్రైల్ ఇప్పుడు రెడ్ ఉంది కదా, రెడ్ బ్లూ ఉందన్నమాట. ట్రైల్స్ వెళ్ళచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు 3 ఇవి 3 ఉన్నాయి కదా బ్లూ ట్రైల్. ఇది స్టార్టింగ్ అనమాట. పైన ఉంది కదా స్టార్టింగ్. సో ఇలాగా దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫుట్ ట్రావెల్ ఓన్లీ. నార్త్ వెస్ట్ ట్రైల్ చాలా బాగుంది. ఇక సూర్యుడు పైకి వస్తున్నాడు. పొద్దుట 9 అవుతుంది పగలు పొద్దుట.
Chapel Trail.
Chapel Trail. And we parked at the other end of our cars are at the other end, and we all carpool to this
the through hike.
parking lot. Yeah, here is, what's your name?
Robin.
Ro and Jane and Sai and Roberta. It is starting anamata. This is the starting of the thing. My people are going fast, so I need to catch up. It's beautiful waterfall. With all the stone flowers they call, the lichen. Rock? Tripe. Okay. That's the rock tripe lichen. They call lichen. This is called lichen. And some of it Indian store lo stone flower అని అమ్ముతారు. Stone flower. ఇవి edible అన్నమాట. They call stone flower.
Too many more views like this until we're near the end.
So there is a
Sadie Bauer hike. What wall do we climb up to get up there? Is this? We get off Undivided?
We get off at Clove.
Clove, that's the word.
Quite a ways down, but you have to walk back once you're on. So it's somewhere back here.
But Clove also takes you to the Chapel Trail or Stokes Trail, right? But we don't want to do that.
We're on this until we come to the road.
Yes.
I have to.
But I was asking if it does. Clove does come out.
I have to return a taxi.
Oh, that reminds me.
So
Shoot.
important.
Oh, I forgot to count.
So this one has a Roman numbers X5 or something, and then there is an arrow on it.
That's where that's the cutoff point, and that's the next lot on the other side.
Next lot on the other side, and then they used to have this.
Here you can see the number
More
clearer,
clearer,
I think.
yeah.
It's 16 there.
Yeah.
And it was for the berry pickers.
Yeah. So the berry pickers, like about maybe 70-80 years ago, they were coming in to pick the berries. On that side of the lot, they had to pay for somebody, and on this side there is another property owner that they have to pay money to pick the berries. So these rocks are a marker where the lot changes. So each lot they have to pay taxes to pick the berries.
Yes, this was the route.
This is the route to pick berries.
And if you could kind of look at the way the ledges cut. This was a big flat route because this was for carriages too to go through.
Oh, they used to get carriages through this thing. Carriage means the horse-drawn carriages.
Yeah, wagon wheel.
Wagon wheels and horse-drawn
But
carriages.
now it's only a footpath.
Now it became a footpath, but there is, you can see the second footpath there.
You can see the way it was cut.
The
But
cut.
This was all
This is one side and that's the other side. The other side is overgrown, and this side is ended up as a footpath. So they used to bring carriages to pick the berries. Thank you,
They
Roberta.
were transporting the berries.
Transporting the berries, yeah.
Green.
Emerald green on a St. Patrick's Day. Look at all the green. I mean, so bright and all kinds of shades of green. It's so pretty, and the stream is so beautiful.
Maybe we can.
Light color too. Someone told me about that's now becoming more established here.
So those mountains, what are those?
Catskill.
Catskills. Okay, those blue mountains are Catskills. There is one house there. More houses.
This is not a lunch break.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have said this photo break. So we are stopping here for a snack break and water break and maybe separation. So here is the trail. So the blue trail is still continues that way. Oh, he's recording.
Yeah.
That's way above my range. What are you doing?
Come closer. See the tree on the rock. It grew on top of the rock. Can you believe it? It's so beautiful and it's still alive. It's a maple. I can see the top coming. It's a maple tree right on the rock. Is growing.
Very brave. Beautiful.
It's got no, it's send me pictures because they want every time that I lead a hike, they want pictures. I have my pictures on my camera
Yeah.
and I can't. He's our yoga person. But do not stand on your head on that.
Yay, Jay.
Hey, Jane. Woo! Turn around and give a high five. Wow, you made it. That's amazing. So we stopped
The shirt
for
I got
a
in Lake Placid.
water break.
Actually,
It's a nice color.
I almost ordered some more, and I don't think I put the order through.
Is that EMS? They're having sales.
I know.
Did
you order more?
I ordered a bunch of things, but now I have. I didn't have a winter jacket. You know, my winter jacket. I hardly needed it this year. But I ordered a winter jacket. Have a spring like
All through.
very light all through EMS.
know
and
what?
I got the super. It said
It's a
it
great
was not
sale.
just clearance. It was clearance of the clearance.
This is called the Split Rock Trail Loop.
Yeah.
And because of that, rock is split and the water is really flowing well. Split rock, you can see trail. Chala bagundi. Beautiful, beautiful day. Sun is coming up. Mostly hemlocks, some of them are dead. చాలా బాగుంది. నిజంగా దీన్ని చూడాలంటే ఇలా కష్టపడాలి. ఈ ట్రైల్ మీద వచ్చి ఇబ్బంది పడాలి, కానీ చాలా చాలా బాగుంది.
could do that.